Hi everyone, this is the backend architecture of Traveloop, an intelligent travel planning platform focused on management, budgeting, and destination discovery. So, I developed the backend using Spring Boot 3, Java 17, Postgres, and the backend follows control service repository pattern. Here, all the controllers, all the services, and all the repositories which are connected to the databases data source. So controller manage incoming API request, services contains business logic, and repository interact with Postgres using Spring Data JPA. Okay, the separation between controller, service, and repository makes the backend modular, scalable, and maintainable. Now, as you can see inside the entity, which are all the tables name, all the column name of our databases. Like here you can see in trip there's a relation of one to many, and in trip stop here's the relation of many to one. This the application manages complex travel relationships using JPA and Hibernate. One trip can contain multiple trip stops, as you can see, and each stop can contain multiple activities. These relationships are implemented using one-to-many and many-to-one mappings. Hibernate automatically converts these Java object relationships into optimized Postgres queries. Here you can see Postgres is used as the primary relational database. The backend stores user trips, activities, budgets, notes, and packaging list in normalized relational tables. Now, for security, I implemented stateless JWT authentication using Spring Boot 6. When a user logs in, the backend generates a JWT token, and for every protected API request, a custom JWT authentication filter validates the token and authenticates the user. Since the backend is stateless, no session data is stored on the server, which improves scalability and performance. For API testing and documentation, I integrated Swagger using Spring Doc OpenAPI. Every endpoint is automatically documented and testable directly from the browser. This made front-end back-end integration much faster and easier. Now it is time to show the front end of this software.
Hello, today I will present my project called Traveloop. Traveloop is a travel planning web application made for Indian travelers. Users can create a trip, explore destinations, and organize travel plans easily. This project is built using React, Spring Boot, SQL database, and Docker. Now let me show you the features of the applications. So this is our landing page. Traveloop, we have the logo on left corner, and on right corner we are having a sign option, getting started, and dark and light mode option. So here we can start planning for free. We have to sign in first for that. But first, the places like Goa, we have in the places like Jaipur, Manali, Kerala, Varanasi, Mumbai. Here are the expenses: 25,000 per day, etc., etc. Everything you need to travel. You need to travel smarter. Yeah. So let's get started. Let's sign in. First, we will be creating our account. Uh, so let's put a name. So set email address 123.com. 456. Split account. Email already registered. Okay, I had already done this. So no thanks. Let's go for demo only. Um, so we have signed in our web application. This is our dashboard. We are having the record of total trips, planned trips completed, total spent. We have the option of new trip, like we have to plan. So let's give it a name, like with family, travel with family. Description will be spending time together from starting date from today till day after tomorrow. We can select the visibility, private or public. So let's put anything. And a logo. A logo, we can put a mountain types logo. Okay. Let's build, create it. So let's add the city. The city would be Goa, no, no, Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. From arrival date, we will be arrived on 11th, and we will depart on 13th at Mumbai. Now we have the option like Gateway of India, Marine Drive, uh, We don't have anything like adventure in Mumbai. We have historical, the Gate of India, the nature, Marine Drive. These are the options in the planner planner of travel family. So we can share it, and we can add city more. And my trips previously for checking the applications, we had already wrote the multiple trips. So this is dashboards. See, already updated to four. We have total planned four trips. Here are the most popular Indian destinations like Mumbai, Jaipur, Goa, Varanasi, Manali, Rishikesh, Udaipur, Shimla, Agra, Kerala. So yeah, this was the our web application, Traveloop. Here our profile. We can edit profile, bio, full name, account information, our email, member since. I mean, yeah, on which date account was created, dark mode and light mode. Yeah, and my friend Ankit will explain the backend of this project. Okay, thank you guys.